Hello to everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you how you can use one of my Metahuman clothing assets and also how you can change the colors inside the materials. And actually this is going to work with every other cloth asset inside Fab Marketplace. So this is my Fab store. You can visit, you can see what I have inside. And now we're going to continue with the video. Thank you. First, we need to go in Epic Game Launcher, and here we're going to use 5.7 because 5.8 have issues with the Fab plugin, and I don't have time to fixing that. So here we're going to press this arrow down, and in options we need to turn on Metahuman core data, and we need to turn on this one and apply. It's going to take some time to download, and when it's ready you need to create new project. And here first what you're going to do, you're going to go to plugins and check Metahuman, and you need to turn on everything related with metahumans if it's not turned on. And after that we're going to need chaos, and you need to turn on everything related with chaos quote assets. So when it's done, you're going to restart the project and everything is going to be fine. So next you need to do, you need to open Fab, and you go to your library, open it, and you need to find the asset which you need to add inside your project. You need to press this plus button. So for this case we're going to use this medieval leather armor, and I already added. So yeah, so here now you should have this Fab folder, but we're going to go there now. First let's turn on our Metahuman, and here in here and clothing we need to go down, and here are the clothing assets. So let's open this folder, and here from this folder we need this wardrobe item. So we're going to take it and we're going to move it here, and now we're going to click 2 times, and it's going to take some time to load. Okay, now we have our leather armor. So yeah, it's look nice. And now you can fix the body how you like. For example, if we can add some fat, you see that everything is stretching and it's fit perfectly to the other body. So let's go back. Okay, and now what you should do, you should download the textures. So let's download the textures. And here we're going to create full rig. It's going to take some time. And now we can go to assembly, and we're going to assemble our character. And when it's done, we now should find where is our character. I think here metahumans, new metahuman character, yes. And let's take it out. And here let's see in details, no, body, and let's use animation asset, and let's find walk. So it was an arm walk forward, and let's simulate. And here our character it's walking. Uh, so yes, let's stop this. And now we're going to go to other part, how we can change the colors. So let's go to browser. We should be in the fab inside the browser and go to my library, and from here we should find our asset. So here it is, medieval leather armor, and here now we can download the additional files which contains the separate parts and also the textures. So I'm not going to download it, I already have it in my computer. So let's close this one and this one, and here where is the folder, inside you should have top, pants, boots and belt strap. So let's start with the top. So here we're going to have the FBX file, textures, and here we're going to have the separate quote assets. So this one is the full, no, this one is the top, this one is the full. So this one we have inside now. So we need this one. So in the project, let's go to content, and we're going to create new folder. Let's call this top, and here we're going to add now this leather armor top. So now it's loading. Actually, if you don't need, if you don't want, you don't need to do this. I just want to show that you can use the separated parts. So now we have the separate parts, which is the top. And here, let's go to here and clothing. And now we're going to remove this one. And we're going to add this wardrobe item. So let's add this one. And now we have the top. So let's remove this one. And let's go back, and we're going to create new folder, and let's make it bottom. And now we're going to add the boots, the pants. So let's take this one, the pants, and let's add this one. The pants are with the boots. You have only the boots separated. So yes, let's add this one also to the Metahuman. Okay, now we have the complete set. So let's change. Actually, no, we're going to assembly again. So let's assemble the character. Okay, so now let's find our metahuman and go inside. Let's open the blueprint, and here down we're going to have this skeletal mesh, and now you can see we have two skeletal meshes. So let's go and check this out. So we can open this, and now you can see this is separated part. Here are the materials, and this is the pants cover, and this is the boots cover. The material. And here now we go to textures, and in the additional files, here this is the pants, go in textures, Unreal 5, and here we have textures for the boots and for the pants. So now I'm going to use this red. You can see everything, it's base color except this one. This is the normal, and this is the sorry, ambient occlusion, roughness and metallic, ORM, but we already have them here, so we need to change only the colors. So I'm going to pick up this one, which is blue red pants. So let's add this one here, and let's go back, boots, and here we're going to use this boots blue red, and let's add it here. Let's close this down, and now this is the boots. So we're finding the boots and adding this here, and we just change the base color and we compile. And here we do the same with the pants. So we go to the pants, we're adding this color here, we change the base color, apply, save. And now we have this blue red trousers with the boots, and let's do this for the top part. So let's go back, let's open this one, and let's find the materials. So this is for the armor, this is for the belt, and this is for the sleeves. So let's go to the folders, and let's go back, and we're going to find the top textures, Unreal Engine 5. So here are the sleeves. So this is for the leather. So let's select this one, and let me check which sleeves I want to put. So I want to put this white one. I'm also going to pick up this one because it's interesting. And yeah, let's move this one here. So we're supposed to put them in the textures folder, but it's not problem. So let's start with the sleeves. I'm going to put the white sleeves. So let's change this color. Let's apply and save. Now you can see we have the white sleeves. This is for the armor. Let's add this base color, apply, save. Now we have this blue armor with the red elements here, like in the boots. And this is with the white sleeves. So let's fix the belt. So belt, let's go back, and here we have the belt strap, textures, Unreal Engine, and let's use the red color. Yeah, so I think it's this one. So let's add this color, apply, save, and now we have this red belt. And let's put these sleeves here and change them also. So let's apply, and now you can see, but this color is not for the red and blue. You can see with which colors is going to match most properly. So let's simulate, and now we have the walking with the blue and red uniform. Let's see in the back, directional light. Let's rotate. Now we have this skull with the wings. It's a nice element for the uniform. And yeah, the sleeves are looking better with the white, with for the blue and red. So basically, yes, this is how you can change the color inside the material when you're using pre-baked textures. So let me show you again. Here inside the texture folders, inside the additional files, you have all the textures which you can use and change. And here you can see the rest of the colors. So we have brown, white, blue. This is the different sleeves. So we have white sleeves, gray sleeves, the brown sleeves. Here we have some mix. So we have red sleeves, blue, and also this which is with some racks, some sewing. And you always can change the different parts. So here we have brown with dark black leather, red with the black leather, blue and red we already saw. And here we have some mixtures. So we have red with dark black, and brown with dark black, white with dark black. And also you can use this with the female character. It's looking also very nice. So yeah, this is the original color. And yeah, this is for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.